Packaging may vary. 0.5 fluid ounce tube of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream to visibly reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area with our retinol formula. Clinically proven to help leave skin feeling smoother, the anti-wrinkle formula contains retinol which fights fine lines, dullness, wrinkles and dark spots. Specially formulated for the eye area, retinol cream helps fade the look of stubborn crow's feet, brightens an even skin tone in the under eye area, helps smooth fine lines and texture, and targets the look of dark circles. This eye cream contains dermatologist-proven retinol and hyaluronic acid, which adds plumping moisture to help hydrate and rejuvenate the look of skin around the eyes. Plus it is free of parabens, mineral oil and dyes. The perfect addition to a daily at-home anti-age skincare routine, this anti-wrinkle retinol eye cream is proven to work quickly with visible results and is the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. Top reviews from the United States. Good eye cream. I have been using this eye cream for years. I have tried others but I keep coming back to Neutrogena. This is a light silky feeling cream that absorbs quickly and a tube lasts 60 to 90 days. It works and is a great purchase.